Hey friends, very good morning. Welcome to another most interesting video of FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn are you doubling your risk without knowing it? When you are simultaneously trading multiple currency pairs in your trading account, always make sure you're aware of your risk exposure. For example, on most occasions, trading AUD USD and NZD USD are essentially like having two identical trades open because they usually have a positive correlation. You might believe that you're spreading or diversifying your risk by trading in different pairs, but many pairs tend to move in the same direction. So instead of reducing risk, you are magnifying your risk. Unknowingly, you are actually exposing yourself to more risk. This is known as overexposure. Let's look at an example involving two highly correlated pairs within a 1 week period, the Euro USD and GBP USD pairs. Based on the table, with a sexy correlation coefficient of 0.94, there is obviously a high correlation in this particular pair. Euro USD is the peanut butter to GBP USD's jelly, like oil and water. Okay, you get the picture. The point is that the two pairs hold hands. Currency correlation example number 1, Euro USD and GBP USD. To prove to you that the numbers don't lie, here are their 4-hour charts. Notice how they both moved in the same direction down. Returning to the subject of risk, we can see that opening a position in both the Euro USD and the GBP USD is the same as doubling up on a position. For example, if you bought one lot of Euro USD and bought one lot of GBP USD, you're basically buying two lots of Euro USD because both the Euro USD and GBP USD would move in the same direction anyway. In other words, you are increasing your risk. If you buy Euro USD and GBP USD, you don't get two chances to be wrong. All you get is one chance because if Euro USD falls and it gets stopped out, GBP USD will most likely fall and stop you out also. You also won't want to buy Euro USD and sell GBP USD at the same time because if Euro USD skyrockets, then GBP USD would probably skyrocket also. And where does this leave you? If you think your profit or loss will always be zero, then you're wrong. Euro USD and GBP USD have different pip values, and just because they are highly correlated doesn't mean they always move in the same exact pip range. Volatility with currency pairs is fickle. Euro USD can skyrocket 200 pips while GBP USD only goes up 190 pips. If this happens, the losses from your GBP USD trade, because you were short, will eat up most, if not all, of the gains from your Euro USD trade. Now let's imagine that Euro USD was the pair that moved up 190 pips and GBP USD had the bigger move of 200 pips. You would have definitely had a loss. Going long one currency pair and going short another currency pair that are highly correlated is extremely counterproductive. More than paying for the spread twice, you minimize your gain because one pair eats into the other pair's profits. And even worse, you would end up losing due to the different pip values and ever-changing volatility of currency pairs. That's all for today. Let's catch up in another example tomorrow with more information. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.